Hello. So now you would like to write a short blog post to introduce the project you would like to start. You click on blog, add blog entry, write a title, my project idea I win in Greece, and here you start describing what you would like to do. So I will just write shortly. I would like to start a project on creative drama using a storybook, The Snow Queen. So of course you will put more details on your project idea and then click publish. So now your post is in the blog with the other posts. So now you would like to create a project activities page with your name and the name of your country and add at least 3 project activities. So you click on project activities, manage activities, scroll down. Here, as you can see, we have many activities. It's a test project. You click add activity. So write your name and your country. You can either put the 3 activities here, like you want an activity blog, a file archive, and a forum, and then click create. So now, as you can see, it's here, Irene Pateraki, Greece. You can either delete it if you made a mistake or if you don't want it. So if I click on my name, Irene Pateraki, you can see that I have created a blog, a file archive, and a forum. Of course, if you want, you can still add applications by clicking here, and you can still add a wiki, an image gallery, or a web content display. So, now it's time to invite your pupils to join the TwinSpace. You go to the home page, click on Invite Members, Invite Pupils, write down the names of your pupils. Let's see, Maria, Paul, and George Palanopoulos. Okay, I'm inviting to Greek students, and you click on Submit. So now the system has created for you a proposed logon name and a proposed password. Of course, before submitting this, you can make changes, and after that, you click on Submit, and you have to write down the information and give them to your students in order to be able and log in the TwinSpace. Good luck! Bye!